Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we are at Tiong Bahru Plaza. We're gonna do something interesting. So, there's a Taiwanese singer, very famous one, who opened up a bubble tea shop in Singapore. The shop name is called Tea, and he's none other than the one and only Jam Hsiao. So today we're going to his newly opened bubble tea shop and try out some nice drinks. Oh, yeah, I need to queue it. The queue is all the way from here. Oh, today there's a 1-for-1 opening special. Cool. The wait is gonna be about half an hour. So we started queuing since like 5 PM. It's like 5:30 now. So got a bit more to go, which is I think pretty okay. Today is a public holiday at the weekend. So yeah, I guess it's expected to be like that. Yeah, maybe we can share about why we like Jam. Why you like Jam? She went to his concert once. I almost went. It was due to the pandemic actually.
You already got it.
Yeah, we actually bought the tickets already, then it got cancelled, so sad. Oh, but I saw him in Taipei in the Countdown concert. Oh yay! 1-for-1 is any drink?
No, it's specific drink. You buy this, the cream cheese oolong tea.
Okay.
And then you get a sugar cane black tea all day.
Oh. Okay. Alright, now is after 53 minutes of queuing. The shop is right there. So it's almost our turn soon. Yeah, almost there. Yes, next will be us. Wow, look at the shop. Tea, then they really use the sign. So cute, see that sign. Yeah! Woohoo! Hsiao is right there. Nice. Hey, who's paying? I'm paying. Hi, can we get the 1-for-1?
Sure.
And one more will be, what do you want?
What is that? James Oolong Ole, alright. With how? Oh yes, with
Oh.
Ice level, second level?
Less ice? 10%.
10%, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need a carrot for this?
I think don't need. Thank you. Yay! Okay, we ordered already. We ordered 3 drinks. Oh, this is the sign. So cool. Nice. Oh wow! Thank you. Nice. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, so total 3 drinks.
Yes, correct. Thank you.
So for these 2, you need to check well before you drink.
Okay.
And this one we don't recommend use straw.
Oh, okay.
So just remove the cover and drink direct.
Okay.
Okay.
Can. Thank you. Yeah. Wow, nice. So cool, this drink. For this 2, they recommend us to shake first. Thank you. We came outside the mall because it's a bit crowded in there. We're gonna try our drink now. The first drink that I'm gonna try is the one of the 1-for-1 is the sugar cane flavor black tea Olay. I also added the oolong jelly. Let's do a taste test. Oh. Wow, nice, the oolong jelly. It's like, it's not the hard kind, it's like quite soon one. Oh, another reason why we got 3 cups, right, is because I want to try all 3 toppings. They only have 3 toppings. The first one is the pearl, then one more is aloe vera, and the last one is the oolong jelly. All is an additional 90 cents. This is the additional one that we bought. It's not part of the 1-for-1, it's the Jam's Oolong Tea Olet with pearl. Yeah, this one already had pearl with it. So let's see how the pearl tastes. Tastes normal. Yeah, normal, nice pearls. Nice. Okay, last one. Oh, they're special, yeah. They still have the, I don't even know what do you call this, but at first it was empty on top. Then the guy just went across and he got printed the logo. It's, how do you even read the Chinese words? 署茗職茶. Cool. Actually recommended that we just drink from the cup itself, don't have to use straw. So, yeah, looks good, right? The above is the cream cheese. This is actually one of the 1-for-1. It's the cream cheese oolong tea. Then for this, I added the aloe vera. So if you can see, those are the aloe vera. Let's see how it tastes like.
Oh, it's like smoking.
Yeah, it's very cool, right? Wow, the cheese is quite nice, very salty. Wow, very interesting. So for this drink, right, when you drink from the cup, you got to find the balance between the cream cheese and the tea itself. Yeah, you don't want to tilt it too much, but you don't want to like tilt it too little also, because either way you will get like either all tea or all cream cheese. You want to get both, so like gotta find the right spot, which is pretty good. Oh, I quite like it. But how are we gonna get the aloe vera?
It's not too salty, it has a good balance.
Yeah,
And it's not too heavy.
that's true. The sticker also quite nice. They use a transparent sticker. It's not like the normal paper ones, so it gives like a very high-end feel. So we're gonna try the aloe vera in the cream cheese oolong tea. Tastes like normal aloe vera.
It likes a lot of toppings in this drink. I hate it. I like it plain.
Yeah. If I could like add, actually maybe I could. If I could add all the toppings in one drink, right, I would totally do that.
It's very good.
So apparently this is the best seller. I mean, this drink has the Jam's name in it, but it's not printed here. On the menu it has Jam's name, so I guess they're trying to promote this. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about prices. If I'm not wrong, right, without the 1-for-1, right, these 3 drinks would have cost around $20. Yeah. So with the 1-for-1, it is $14.40. Okay, so this cream cheese foam Jam's oolong tea costs $6.30. Then an additional 90 cents for the aloe vera topping. So that's my math. 720. This is the sugarcane flavor black tea Lait, which costs $5.70, and with the oolong jelly is another 90 cents, so it's $6.60. Then this is the Jam's oolong tea Lait with pearl. This comes with pearl already, and it costs $6.30. So generally, it's not that cheap, right? Yeah, I mean, an average cup of cream cheese would have cost how much?
No, cream cheese drinks are always slightly more expensive.
But it's not until like
$5, $6. But for like normal drinks like these, they are like quite pricey.
Oh yeah, correct. I mean, this just looks like a normal milk oolong tea with pearl.
It is oolong tea.
Yeah, so it's slightly more pricey because I mean it's opened by a celebrity, like Jam Hsiao. Yeah, so I would say it's nice, but nothing too special. The cream cheese, yeah, maybe you can come and try this, and the oolong jelly is pretty good. Other than that, I think the milk tea, like the tea itself, is quite normal. So yeah, decide for yourself if you want to come and try it. I mean, it's after all a wanghong. No, Jam is not a wanghong.
It's not one.
It's not
more than
wanghong. It's more than wanghong. It's a 艺人 bubble tea shop. Yeah, so yeah, come and try it. It's at Tiong Bahru Plaza, quite a small mall at level 1. So yeah.
But don't expect queue.
Yeah, we queued for close to 1 hour.
Yeah.
I guess it's normal. Yeah. It was quite nice in the shop. Many places for you to take pictures, and you can take with a picture with Hsiao as well.
Yeah. I like the color. The overall theme is orange.
It's like totally his color. If you watch his concert, right, he has a band called Lion, and generally the whole color theme of the band is orange, including his mic, his IEM, and his shell, the piano shell is holding orange. It was so anyway, yeah, come down and try Ed Tea. That's it for today's vlog, and see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, wait, we got something to add on. So I realized, right, this sugarcane flavor black tea, right, it doesn't have much sugarcane taste actually. Sugarcane! Sugarcane! Not at home. It just tastes like black tea. So that means that black tea is nicer than the oolong tea.
Yeah, it is more aromatic.
So which is your favorite?
I like this, the cream cheese.
Ah, the cream cheese.
I like that it's very light, the cream cheese. So that's my favorite. Although I love oolong tea on a daily basis, but I think this overpowers everything.
I would say, because I feel like the milk tea all taste the same. So, but I like this oolong jelly topping quite a bit. So, since the oolong jelly I put it in the sugarcane one, right? I would say my favorite is this. If you come down, you can try these few combinations. We've tried 3 for you. There are quite a few drinks on the menu, right?
Yeah.
Surprisingly, I thought they would like just do like
a few categories.
Yeah, they have a few categories. So price wise, it's all around the 5-6. Or if you add topping, you will reach the 7 mark.
If you don't like milk tea, they have like normal tea.
Yeah,
like
without milk. Oh, and another thing is that Ed Tea actually has a membership. Just now we signed up for the membership on the spot, then we got the 1-for-1. I think the app is called like, it's not an app, like, it's a website. It's called the Attitude Points. Yeah, right there. So like from the 1440 transaction we did just now, we earned like 14 points. But we don't know what the point is for.
Yeah.
As of now, we don't know what the points is gonna do. Maybe like you probably could earn enough to redeem a free drink in the future. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, see you, real one. Bye bye.
Bye.